Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Feira Coins. I have here one banknote certified by PCGS currency, and usually I'm not sure that many normal modern banknotes. Most of the times highly collectible, large size notes or gold certificates, something like that. But a cheese banknote require deserve a nice attention, deserve to be showed. I have here $20 US banknote, and if you look right here, looks like a normal banknote with really high graded June 68. But when you come back in here, you're gonna see, of course, 1988 A, $20 Federal Reserve. So far so good, everything's normal, but the serial number is a low serial number. Of course, it's not a solid serial number. It's not like number one of the series, but it's a 81. 81 is a two-digit number. Below 100 it's not quite easy to find it. And at the same time, it is old design. Right now, have stripes on, complete different design. That's for 1988, of course, and it's in high grade. Okay, it's a wonderful grade, wonderful condition. That's why I think deserves to be shown, deserves to make a video on it. It's a beautiful thing. At the same time, it's such a high grade, it's lower serial number, but it's affordable. It's not something you need $1,000 to buy or to acquire one. It's a couple $100, and it's something nice to have in your collection. If you so, because it's a certified already, and it's in such crispy, beautiful paper. Okay. One more time, let me show the serial number. The grade. This was certified by PCGS currency. Okay, guys, that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Thank you.